Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on PC. First, you'll need to download and install the battle. Net Client, which is the platform for the game. Once installed, create a free battle. Net account or simply log in if you already have one. Then, search for Call of Duty Warzone within the client and begin the installation process. It's crucial to ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth gaming experience. To ensure a smooth experience, verify your PC meets the minimum specifications, including an Intel Core i3-6100 or AMD Ryzen 3 1200 processor. You'll also need at least 8 GB of RAM and 125 GB of available storage. Always update your graphics drivers to the latest version for improved stability. Adjust in-game settings like texture quality and shadow detail to balance visuals with a consistent frame rate. Optimizing your controls is key to success. Customize your keybinds for movement, aiming, and interacting with the environment to suit your playstyle. Adjust your mouse sensitivity, both your mouse's DPI and the in-game setting, for precise aiming. Configure your audio settings to clearly hear crucial sounds like enemy footsteps. Finally, experiment with your field of view to find a comfortable visual perspective that enhances your awareness. When dropping into the map, land strategically in less contested areas to gather essential loot safely. Prioritize securing a strong loadout with your preferred weapons and perks as quickly as possible. Effective communication with your squad, using in-game voice chat or pings, is vital for coordinated plays. And remember to master the Gulag. Winning your 1 versus 1 fight earns you a second chance at rejoining the battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.